Hey, that was fun. The last couple days have been amazing around here thanks to the moisture from what was Hurricane Bud and then the upper level low that moved across the area yesterday, just giving all that moisture a big lift. And we got record rainfall yesterday at the airport, 0.74 inches, which was a new record by far, over double the old record. I think the old record was like 3/10, not even 3/10. And then the day before that, we had 1700ths, which was record rainfall as well. And both of those count as monsoon 2018 rain because, as you know, the monsoon now runs from June 15th until September 30th. The old way of measuring the monsoon, which is 3 days in a row of dew point, average dew point of 54 degrees. We've had the last 2 days with that, but we're drying out today, so I don't think we'll make it today. So by the old measure of measuring monsoon, this wouldn't be monsoon yet. But since we just have hard dates now, June 15th through September 30th, it all counts as monsoon 2018. So let's just start with the headline. These are rainfall amounts from yesterday. I don't know if you can see the cursor on the recording. I can see it as I record, but I don't know if you can see it. But anyway, Oro Valley, where I live, about 2/3 of an inch, generally speaking. Here's a place on Moore Road, about a ½ inch. As you get into town, we had a lot of areas here, about 3/4 of an inch. Here's that 0.75 near the airport. This is all the last 2 days total. So the airport picking up almost 9/10. That would be over here, if you can see that cursor. So anyway, close to that. Valencia West, 9/10 or so. Marana, just 2/10. Sorry, Marana. But look at the foothills and the east side. Those were the big winners. East side, gosh, 1.5 to 2 inches widespread, and across the foothills, around an inch or a little more, inch to 1.5 for people in the foothills. And you get in the mountains, that's where the big totals were. Looks like Summer Haven, about 3 inches of rainfall. Let's just kind of scroll down a little bit. We can see Green Valley got about an inch of rain as well. So, some beneficial rains. We sure needed it, and we sure got it as expected. So let's look at yesterday's numbers at TucsonWeather.us. 81 yesterday's high, which was a record cool high temperature for the date. The old record cool high temperature is 83. And look at this, average high is 101. We were 20 degrees below that yesterday. Oh, so nice. 65 yesterday morning, mid-60s again this morning. Just beautiful weather on the deck. Of course, it was raining at this time yesterday morning, 9 o'clock. There's your 0.74 record for the rainfall, 0.91 for the month, all in the last 2 days, and we're 1/4 of an inch below average for the year now instead of more than an inch below average. So we made up some ground there. All good news, all exciting. So what's going on today? Well, the upper level low is gone. Trough to our north, giving us more of a southwesterly to westerly flow. It's going to scour all the moisture out of here. Maybe I should have put a puffy cloud here. There'll probably be a few puffy clouds this afternoon. Low 90s, 65 on the deck. The next 2 mornings at mid-60s, even 68 Wednesday morning as we dry up. So just beautiful weather in the mornings and warming up. 99 tomorrow, 100 Tuesday, and then it gets kind of hot. Wednesday 104, Thursday 106, Friday 105. So the hot stuff coming back, the moisture not coming back anytime soon, but of course we'll keep you posted as we go. Just a real quick look across the country and what's going on today. You can see the moisture now moving into New Mexico, West Texas. Tropical influence for southern and southeast Texas. I'll show you that here in a second. Here's this low and this trough giving some flash flooding possibilities from Idaho into Wyoming, and then from eastern Colorado all the way up into the Great Lakes region, and some severe weather possible parts of South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin, parts of the UP of Michigan. All right, tomorrow. Oops, what did I do? I clicked on something. Tomorrow. Okay, look at this. A little bit of snow still in Wyoming tomorrow. What? And some flash flooding possible in Montana. Smaller area of flash flooding across the Midwest, but still some flash flooding possible. Northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, parts of Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas. Here's that tropical influence for Texas. So pretty much the whole Texas Gulf Coast with a chance of flash flooding rains tomorrow, or flooding rains tomorrow. And then up in New England, too, some heavy rainfalls for upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. And then we get into Tuesday. We still stay dry. Moisture to the east, though, eastern New Mexico, all of Texas. There's that tropical influence for the Texas Gulf Coast again. And a little bit of snow for Wyoming and Montana. And a big area of flooding rains possible along this front as well. So anyway, back to TucsonWeather.us. Drying out, warming up for us after beneficial rains. Low 90s today, upper 90s tomorrow, 100 Tuesday. And then getting kind of hot. 101 Wednesday, 104 Thursday, 106 Friday, and 105 on Saturday. So really enjoyed the last couple of days. That was really fun. And now we get back to, I guess, typical June weather. And I don't know if we'll have to wait till the 4th of July when we typically start to see monsoon really kick in, but that might be a good bet. We'll keep you posted along the way. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon.